Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay, that's good. Are you excited to start my own lesson for today, girls? Okay, let's start my own lesson today by asking about the day and the date first. Who can tell me? Today is what? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday. Again. Tuesday. And the date is 27 1 1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Tuesday. Tuesday. And the date is 27 1 1442 after Hijrah. Today, inshallah, we are going to start taking lesson 3 in unit 1. And as we said before, this unit is about my friends. This unit is about my friends. Page number 8 and 9. Please, girls, I want you to open your books, page number 8 and 9. Now, open your books, page number 8 and 9, and write the day with the date. Please, girls, open your books, page number 8 and 9, and write the day with the date. Please, girls, quickly. Write the day with the date on page number 8 and 9. The day with the date, please, girls. Hurry up. Now, let's move to your notebook, please, girls. Now, I want you to close your book and open your notebook. Open your notebook, please, girls, in the handwriting section and copy this sentence. I can see a rainbow. Copy this sentence, please, girls. I can see a rainbow. Copy this sentence in your notebook and also don't forget to write the day with the date. Quickly, please, girls. Copy this sentence in your notebook. I can see a rainbow. Now let's start my own lesson for today by listening to a beautiful sound together. Let's listen together, please, girls. Sorry. Okay, now, girls, what did you hear? I heard a sound of a rain. I hear the sound of a rain, right? So, now, girls, what can you see in this picture? I can see a rainy day, right? With so many clouds and trees, and mountains. So, girls, if I ask you, what comes after the rain? What comes after the rain? It comes what? It comes the rainbow, right? The rainbow comes after the rain, right? So here we have rain. We have the rainbow. Rainbow. Now the first word in our lesson today is rainbow. Again, Rainbow. Again, Rainbow. So the first word in our lesson today is rainbow. 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 Now, how many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow, girls? You should say there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Again, how many colors are there in a rainbow, girls? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Okay, girls, if I ask you, how many colors are there in a rainbow? You should say, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Now let's start taking the first color in our own rainbow. The first color is red. Bravo. The first color is red. Okay, let's spell the word red together. We have only 3 letters in the word red. R-E-D. Again, R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. So the first word is rainbow. 2. Red. R-E-D. Now, what's this color? It's yellow. Again, what's this color? It's yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Again, Y-E-L-L-O-W. So, rainbow, red, yellow. So, what's this color? It's yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. It's yellow. Okay, girls? What about this color? Or let's say, what's this color? What's this color, girls? It's pink. P-I-N-K. P-I-N-K. So, red, yellow, pink. P-I-N-K. What about this color, girls? It's blue again. B-L-U-E. B-L-U-E. Okay, girls, if you want to ask about the colors, what should you say? You should say, what's this color? It's blue. Okay, if you have more than one color, you should say, what are these colors? These are, for example, blue, red, yellow, and pink. So, if you want to ask about one color, you should say, what's this color? Your answer should start with, it's blue, for example. If you want to ask about more than one color, you should say, what are these colors? Your answer should start with, these are blue, red, yellow, and pink. Okay, girls? Now, let's complete the colors. What about this color? Or what's this color? It's purple. Again, purple. Let's spell this word together, girls. P-U-R-P-L-E. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. What's this color? It's purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. It's purple. So, red, yellow, pink, blue, purple. Here we have another color. What's this color, girls? It's orange. Again, what's this color? It's orange. Let's spell the word orange together. O-R-A-N-G-E. O-R-A-N-G-E. It's orange. Now let's see the last color that we have in our lesson today. What is this color? Bravo, it's green. Okay, class, if I ask you, the green color reminds us of which country? It reminds us of Saudi Arabia, right? Do you like Saudi Arabia, class? Do you like Saudi Arabia? Of course, I like Saudi Arabia. So this color is green. G-R-E-E-N. G-R-E-E-N. It's green. So what's this color? It's green. G-R-E-E-N. Okay, now please, girls, I want you to open your books, page number 8. Our lesson today is very easy. I want you to open your books, girls, and listen.
Words. Exercise 1. Chant and point. What's this color? Red, red, red. Orange, orange, orange. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Green, green, green. Blue, blue, blue. Purple, purple, purple. Pink, pink, pink. White, white, white. Black, black, black. Brown, brown, brown.
So here we have 10 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white, black, and brown. Now let's listen and chant the rainbow chant. Listen, girls, please.
Exercise 2. Listen and chant. Rainbow chant. Red and yellow and pink and blue, purple and orange and green. I can see a rainbow. See a rainbow. See a rainbow now.
Again, girls.
Exercise 2. Listen and chant. Rainbow chant. Red and yellow and pink and blue, purple and orange and green. I can see a rainbow. See a rainbow. See a rainbow now.
So rainbow chant, red and yellow and pink and blue, purple and orange and green. I can see a rainbow, see a rainbow, see a rainbow now. Now, let's move to page number 9, fun time. Color race, listen and touch as fast as you can.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Color race. Listen and touch as fast as you can. Like this. Are you ready? Let's start. Touch something yellow. Touch something red. Touch something purple. Touch something green. Touch something blue. Okay, good. Let's play for...
Okay, now girls, I want you to open your activity book, please, girls. Open your activity book, page number 67. Page number 67. Let's take goal 5 now. I can see the names of 5 colors, for example, orange, green, purple, black, and white. Now, please, girls, I want you to listen now.
Hi, how are you? Are you ready for goal 5? Good. Let's start. I can say the names of 5 colors. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and practice.
Orange, green, purple, white, brown.
Good job. Now trace the words and color the pictures. Then do exercise 2. Trace and write.
Okay, girls, now I want
You've
you to
finished
trace.
goal 5.
Now, girls, I want you to trace the gray words here, orange, green, purple, white, and brown. Then I want you to color these pictures. I want you to color these pictures, girls. Then trace and write letter E. Trace and write letter E, girls. Okay? Don't forget to trace the gray words. Don't forget to trace the gray words, girls. Now let's move to exercise to page number 768. 68, girls. Listen, point, and practice. Then trace and color.
Are you ready for goal 6? Good. Let's start. I can find 3 colors in the classroom. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and practice.
This is pink. This is black. This is purple. This is purple.
Good job. Now trace the words and color the pictures. Then do exercise 2. Trace and write.
Okay, girls, now I want you to trace here the gray words. This is pink, this is black, this is purple. Then I want you to color. Color this picture with pink color. Color this picture with black. Color this picture with purple. Then trace and write letter F. Trace and write letter F. This is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time, girls. Goodbye.